Hello fellow YouTubers, welcome to my channel. If you're new to Mark for Heaven, click the subscribe button if you like the content, and turn your notifications on just so that you know every time I drop a new video and stuff. It's always helpful to know that there's a new video being dropped. But yeah, anyway, we'll cut straight to the chase. This is just a quick video I thought I'll do because it's so cold I can't really do much DIY on the golf. So this is a little tip or trick or whatever you want to call it, to help you guys keep your exhausts looking in tip-top condition. Because obviously when you have a nice shiny car or whatever and your exhausts are just black, I see so many nice cars, even Porsches and all sorts of, cars with lovely, exterior, and the exhaust tips are just black. So, yeah. Quick tip on how to just shine them up within a couple of minutes. All you really need is a drill, one of the attachments, I think it's called a spade attachment or something, for drilling, little holes and stuff. Some compound just to lubricate the cloth, and obviously a cloth as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's obviously the quick option. If you don't have a drill, you could probably do it by hand, but I think it'll just take a long time. So yeah, this is just a couple of minutes really it takes to do it. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into it. Right, so here are the tools for the job, guys. So our simple drill, it's normal drill, doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be fancy and hammer and all that nonsense. Just a normal drill, a microfiber cloth, some compound or scratch remover or anything of that sort should work. One of these, or a drill bit, or something that can go into the drill. This, you might think I'm a bit crazy when you look at at this. You'll say, why would you put that in your exhaust? It'll just rip it to shreds. But it doesn't if you do it properly. So this is quite lethal, but just make sure you use it properly, and I'll show you what I mean. That is obviously optional, because if your exhaust is really dirty, I usually use this just to take off the excess muck, what I mean, because get that off first, and then we'll begin to polish it. That you can see it's not too bad actually, my exhaust. But yeah, I just use that just to sort of get rid of that. Just warm water and some fairy liquid or washing up liquid or whatever, just to get around it. And then once we put our polish, then that'll really make it. Look at the dirt. Ew. Sorry guys, let me try and place this camera. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, so that's got rid of the majority of the muck. Now it's to the next stage. Alright, so next stage, let's get our cloth, double, fold it over once, and then maybe that way. Right, let it just take the cloth in. Yeah. Hey. This is what you don't have a powerful drill like mine. But anyway, now you can't feel anything. Yeah, so it's not gonna scratch or damage anything. We'll go over another time if you want. So we'll put some of this on there. Get some of our stuff on there. Yeah, there we go. So get some of that on there, guys, and just do that. Yeah. Don't know if you can see that, but put some of your polish and on your drill. just start cleaning. Yeah. Put more polish on there. There we go. You could even make this, if you've got bigger exhaust, make it a bit thicker. Make it bigger. Get that polish on there. Go. And is one down, another to go, more polish. I have to take it out this way. It's the only way I can really take it out. Right, and look at that, guys. Seconds. We've got shiny exhaust tips. Now we can go around the edges. We'll just get some polish with our finger. And we'll put some just on the edges. This is just that it looks okay right round, if you know what I mean. And then we'll just that's honestly, it looks brand new. Seriously. Look at that, eh? I'm joking, wow. Serious, that's what exhaust tips should look like, guys, eh? That's what exhaust tips should look like. Look at that. Hey? Like brand new. Right inside as well. So, a lot better than what they look like. Even if you look at the car. Look at that. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a bit weird, you know, but you know, cleaning in this cold weather. But yeah, anyway, thought I'd do that. I preferred the car to be nice and shiny before I start, you know, cleaning the tailpipes and stuff. But you know, I didn't want to go to waste any footage. I thought I may as well make a video for you guys. So take it easy, guys, and until next time, see you later.